Hello and welcome. This message goes out to someone who's integrating a lot of lessons, years and years and years full of lessons. For someone who stepped recently into a new life and still finds themselves in some kind of in-between phase where the challenge is integrating all of what they've learned. What I feel right now is that this will come through more as a meditation. So ground yourself wherever you are. By the way, I'm in the middle of a Polynesian jungle. You might hear the birds and other voices of the jungle around me. And if you found a comfortable position, imagine roots growing from the lowest point of your spine down into the earth. If you want to, you can imagine yourself sitting here with me in the jungle, where the earth is black and moist and soft, where there's so much green around us, and where you can just dive easily with your energy roots into the soft earth that is nourishing and loving, giving, receiving you in the most loving way. Enjoy letting yourself ground more and more and more through this feeling of your roots. And don't mind the chicken. They are everywhere in Polynesia. You are here, you are here, you are here. And as your roots sink deeper and deeper into the soft, warm earth, your whole body, your energy fields becomes more free and free every second. Because everything you don't need anymore goes down through these roots. Deeper, deeper and deeper. And with you enjoying it, letting loose, letting your body grow softer with every breath. You release more and more and more what's set in your body, maybe for years, maybe for decades. This is your time for integration now. Yes, this is it, this is it, this is it. Yes, yes, you may just ground right now. So there are certain things in your life that can sometimes trigger you somehow or set you in a state of tension, in a state of feeling in danger, of feeling uncomfortable. reacting with an old, fearful pattern, even if you don't primarily feel fear. Maybe it's just fear that is stored in your body, some energy that couldn't release yet fully. Some pattern of thought that leads to this hard, uncomfortable feeling in your gut or wherever. When these feelings come, maybe if you have to do with themes that are not so easy for you, or with people, or dealing with things from the past, or even certain topics in the present that let you feel hard in some place in your body. Just follow this feeling. Find out where it's exactly your body is growing hard. Maybe it's in a heart space. Maybe it's to the way to the solar plexus. Maybe it's deeper. Just feel where it is and follow its path. And the only thing you have to do there is feeling it. Feel this hardness and stay with it. Breathe. Give it love. Give it a lot of love and understanding, and allow it to soften more and more and more with every breath. It can be that you find yourself crying, that the tears begin to flow, or a lot of pain comes up. Let it all go through your body, your system. Maybe there's still some kind of energy that needs to find its path. But as long as you stay, as long as you breathe, as long as you feel, there can nothing happen to you. In this present moment, you take back all your power from whatever all of this might be, and you take it in this present moment by accepting that the past was the past and you cannot change it, and by saying no to the old story, by being clear on not diving into the old story again. You can feel everything, and you can stay with the feeling that is left in your body. Stay with it right here, right now, and let the past be the past for once. I know. The ego tends to go back and to say, hey, but there was this and that, and I don't like that this situation is like this right now. I don't like that I couldn't do it better, or that this person didn't do this and that. And yes, all of this might be like this, but if you keep going with the stories and with what happened in the past, you will repeat your old cycles in your new life now. If you really want a new life, stop it. Stop staying with whatever makes you harden inside, with whatever kicks your ego on the plan to take over. Take back your power from all of these patterns, situations, people, places, things. Stay right here, right now. And breathe and feel and allow to soften and give love to this part of yourself. And after a while, you will feel that you are actually fine. That this feels actually good. That you are actually safe. And that in this present moment there is nothing more to think about, to dwell about, but only to feel yourself. Breathe deeply and release more. And allow yourself to feel this nourishing love that cloaks you in its warm blanket. This is you, this is your love, this is your power. This is when you are in the present moment, nourishing yourself, loving yourself, taking care of yourself. This is you healing. And this is you just all doing this for yourself. This is you growing the most powerful version of yourself. Yes, there were reasons you left the old life and situations and people and things. And of course, this doesn't mean that now everything's perfect. Usually not. Usually there are some leftovers from the life before that we have to deal with, even after we left. And it's good that we do it. It's good that we clean up after us. It's good that we take responsibility and just do what is necessary. But we can only really close the old chapter if we accept that not everything's perfect. And also the new life, why will it be so abundant, so fulfilling? Because we learn to accept. Because we learn how to not stay with the hardness in ourselves, how to not be guided by our ego that is always acting in fear. Because we learn how to accept from one moment to the other, how to nourish ourselves, tend to ourselves, let go of the hardness, let go of all the energy that isn't yours, take back our power and move on from one moment to the next. This is what is needed if you really want an abundant, fulfilling, truthful lifestyle. This is what you gotta practice, and this is necessary to integrate all the lessons you've learned. And so this in-between state you're in is a magic and necessary state. The old life will not stop like yesterday and start tomorrow in a completely transformed way. There's some period of transformation that is necessary, where you can learn to be your new version that you really want to embody, where you can form in what brings you your fulfillment, yourself. So this period right now, even though not the old life anymore, is the renewal phase that can only happen after you left your old field. And it's such a blessing. It's such a blessing that you are here right now for this, that you tend to yourself and that you give yourself this love. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much for integrating so deeply and profoundly, and for walking the new path of the new life, of true natural abundance and love. Give yourself some time to honor this before you close the meditation. And go back to this meditation whenever you feel hardness creep up in your body. Remember, this is not you, this is old energies just showing their ugly heads, and you may lovingly release them while allowing yourself to be in this moment and to actually feel pretty good.